Hi, I'm Mark Kokovac. I make how to draw sketchbooks for anyone interested in drawing. This is my 6th sketchbook called How to Draw Stuff. If you enjoy drawing, you'll love it. Here's how it works. On the left page is the title of what you will be drawing. And just below is a short, informative description. There are 6 boxes showing you what to draw for each step. Start with step 1 and end with step 6. We left the right page blank so you can draw and follow along. Don't forget to draw nice and big. Each new step uses blue lines to show you what's new, so it's very easy to keep track of what to draw next. If you get stuck or need some help, just grab a smartphone or tablet and scan the QR code at the top right. You'll be teleported to a YouTube video showing you exact steps from inside the book. The book is kid-friendly, super fun, and super easy to use. The more you draw, the better you'll get. So, if you or someone you know likes to draw, sketch, paint, illustrate, render, scribble, or doodle, please back our Kickstarter. In exchange, we'll send you our sketchbook. Thank you very much.